A dazzling addition to the world of home entertainment technology, the AOC K1S projector has made its grand debut in China, captivating consumers with its impressive specifications and innovative features. This sleek device, powered by the MediaTek 9669 chip, boasts a maximum brightness of 2500 CVIA lumens, promising an exceptional visual experience for users. One of the standout features of the AOC K1S projector is its ability to produce stunning 1080p high-definition images. This ensures that viewers are treated to crystal-clear visuals, whether they are watching their favorite movies, indulging in a gaming session, or giving dynamic presentations. The inclusion of support for HDR10 and HLG high dynamic video decoding further enhances the projector's capability to deliver vibrant and lifelike imagery. The AOC K1S takes full advantage of ALPD laser display technology, which, combined with its 2500 CVIA lumens brightness, translates into a remarkable 4500 ANSI lumens. This means that even in well-lit rooms or during daylight hours, the projector can maintain its visual prowess, making it a versatile choice for various environments. Color reproduction on the AOC K1S is a treat for the eyes, with a stunning 1.07 billion color display that ensures the accuracy of shades and hues in every image. The built-in sound system is another highlight of this projector, with twin 12 watts large diameter strong magnetic speakers and passive diaphragms. The sound system, a collaborative effort between AOC and Devialet, delivers immersive audio to complement the captivating visuals, resulting in an all-encompassing cinematic experience. In the realm of smart features, the AOC K1S truly shines. Its TOF and CMOS smart modules enable advanced functionalities like autofocus, omnidirectional automatic correction, and intelligent brightness adjustment. Users can expect hassle-free setup with automatic screen alignment and intelligent screen obstacle avoidance, which contribute to a seamless and user-friendly projection experience. Under the hood, the AOC K1S is powered by the MediaTek MT9669 chip, supported by 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. This not only ensures smooth operation, but also provides ample space for storing your favorite content. Connectivity options abound, with HDMI 2.1 and Wi-Fi 6 support, enabling effortless connections to a wide range of devices. Gamers and sports enthusiasts will appreciate the MEMC global motion compensation, which minimizes motion blur for fast-paced content. The projector's throw ratio of 1.27:1 allows for flexible placement, and it can project images of up to 150 inches, turning any wall into a cinematic canvas. One of the most appealing aspects of the AOC K1S is its whisper-quiet operation, emitting a mere 26 decibels of noise. This ensures that your viewing or presentation experience remains undisturbed by distracting background sounds, enhancing your immersion into content. The AOC K1S projector, with its impressive array of features and advanced technology, is now available to consumers in China at a highly enticing price point. Currently retailing at 4,999 yuan or equivalent to approximately $683. This sleek and innovative projector offers an exceptional value proposition for individuals seeking a top-tier home entertainment or presentation solution. In summary, the AOC K1S projector has made a strong entrance into the market with its exceptional display quality, innovative smart features, and the backing of cutting-edge technology. This device promises to redefine the home entertainment and presentation experience for those who seek the best in audio-visual performance. I hope you are interested in this projector. Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day everyone and God bless you.